Next, chocolate factory. Okay, same. Read and size of the array, elements of the array. Line by line input తీసుకున్నాడు. వాడు ఏం చెప్పాడంటే move trailing zeros to the end. A chocolate factory packing chocolates into the packets. The chocolate factory packets are present in an array and n number of integer values. The task to find the empty packets. Push to the end. అంటే zeros అన్నది మనకు లాస్ట్ మూవ్ చేయమన్నాడు. Okay, I want to write this program using Java. Scanner is equals to new scanner of system.in. Okay, first you can take the size of the array sc dot next enter. Next you can create the array new int of n. Then read the elements of the array. Int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. A of I equals to sc dot next enter. Next enter. Then first I want to print non-zero elements, after that 0 elements. That's a simple, you can write one thing. For int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If a of I not equal to 0, then I want to print system dot out dot print a of I plus space. First I want to print non-zeros. Then for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If a of I double equal to 0, then then system dot out dot print a of non-zeros, then zeros plus space. Then run and save. Okay, 100% accept.